Alright, so tonight I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm going to paint the rims for the MR2, the red one over there that I got. Now, I don't have a lot of money to be just blowing like, you know, $1,100, $1,400 on work wheels or, you know, some really good rims. And for now, for all practical purposes, I'm just gonna get some cheap rims. TSW rims. Now, I have no idea how good these are, nor do I know if they're worth any money, but I test fitted them and they fit on the 91 MR2, and I like to ride looking clean, so here you go, another one on the budget build, super budget build. And so these rims I got off of OfferUp, like I said, for 80 bucks. No tires, missing a center cap, so I just took the center cap off. And a crazy amount of curb rash. So what I did was sanded it down, and I sanded the inside and the outside. I've only got 2 sanded because I was busy doing the wrap. And right here I have taped off the area in which it will be bolted onto the car. So I'm gonna spray it. Rustic Mist. So it's like a dark brown, if you can see it in the light. I think it's gonna look good. So the plan is to spray on the inside first with primer, then this, and then do a couple coats. I don't know how many coats, 4 or 5. And until it looks good, then I'm going to spray, let it dry, and then flip around and spray the other side. So we'll see what these rims look like after I'm done. This is the super budget. So overall, doing these rims, it cost me what, 85 bucks? No, 90 bucks, because all the paint costs like 10 bucks or something like that. Woo! Oh man. Okay, so this is looking real good. Man, I put 2 tack coats down, and then I just put 2 wet coats. So I'm really excited to mount some tires on these bad boys once this dries. So I think I'm gonna put, well, I don't even think this even needs one more coat. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at the sparkles. You can see a little imperfection right there, but you know what? Who cares? These are $80 rims that look like they are $1,000 bucks. So like I said, I finished this one, but I put too many coats on it, and there was like a really dark spot, and I touched it with my finger. Pro tip: don't touch paint even after 24 hours plus when you put too many coats on it. So anyway, this ran, and the paint is still very it still leaves fingerprints when you touch it. So see that right there? What the hell? It's been like, I don't know, almost 48 hours. So it looks like this stuff's got to dry for a long time. Anyway, I didn't really like this color anyhow, so I put it out in the sun, and it was just a little too dark for my taste. So we're going with these. Oh damn, here we go. Okay, so these ones, this is, I love this color. I think this is gonna work great. but this is Copper Rose. I brought that paint back from over there and I switched it for these ones, and look at how bright and shiny these are. These are gonna look amazing. So anyway, this has been 2 coats. Actually, this is like the third or fourth coat. I think it's the 4th coat, and I'm gonna put another wet coat on there in a minute here. All right, so I'm gonna apply the wet coat. Okay, so there they are with the final coat on it. It's not perfect, but it looks really good. I can use some more touch-ups like over here and stuff like that. I'll respray it real quick. Now I'm seeing spots, but the overall picture makes it look very good compared to that one. I think these look amazing. So yeah, I'll do the bottom parts on those later, because that's kind of where the tire goes, so I don't think it really even matters. But you guys tell me, does it matter? I mean, uniform paint looks good and all, but yeah, I think these look great. Alright, so that's it for this video. That's gonna be kind of what it's gonna look like on the car. The sun's pretty bright, it's getting sunset, and I think it looks pretty good. It's not gonna be exactly this red, but it's gonna be a shade of red, I think, just because when you're wrapping and the car is totally different color under and it's not black, it will show through if it's not similar color or kind of the same shade. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this color. If you think it's a darker color would look better, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about copper? Okay, well, I'll catch you guys later. The chicken wants to cameo.